How does Google Wallet work? How does Google Wallet work? Google Wallet is a digital wallet app that securely stores your payment cards, passes, tickets, IDs, keys, and lets you use them online, in-app, and via contactless payments where Google Pay is accepted. Basically, you can store a lot of your cards. We're talking about debit cards, credit cards. As long as you have a phone with NFC enabled, you basically can just store all your cards on your wallet and be able to just tap your device where Google Pay is accepted to pay. And you can also do this online as well if you see a button that says pay with GPay. So the advantage is you don't need to carry around your physical cards, your physical IDs, your physical keys if you're able to store them on your Google Wallet. So you just need to have your device with you, and you can buy, you can tap, you can do all the things without having a physical wallet with you. Just remember that it works primarily on Android devices and smartwatches, but stored cards and passes can also be used online through your Google account. So you can say again your payment cards, your transport passes, your loyalty cards, gift cards, as well as many other things like IDs and stuff in certain regions. That's how it works. It's just a convenient way of carrying around your cards without carrying the physical cards themselves.